Today, we're finally installing new tires on the bike. Shinko 241's. What we're putting on these bad boys today. So I'll get these things on here and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you know after, and I'll show you what we had to do to our old tires before we put these on at the end of the video. Okay, so we just finished putting on the tires, and this is how she sits now. Gonna go wash the bike, put the battery back in, and we'll do our little review. Okay, it's the next day. We finished putting on tires on both the bikes. On that bike we did the bars, the brakes, front and back, tires.
Taper bars, took 3 inches off of each side to get them to the length we wanted. Scott grips, McGraw brakes, full set all the way through.
The pegs.
Got some new pegs. Love the corner of the tires so far in the woods. These tires have been, I don't know, I'd say they're holding up. They're doing pretty much what we want them to do. I love the Pro Taper bars. I like the height on them. The brakes have been, so far, working amazing. I think I gotta bleed my back one a little bit more, but...
Yeah, we have to bleed them. So we'll give them a good test through these trails and show you guys how it goes. Okay, looks like we finally found a trail. Maybe not. It just ends? That's the same one. Looks like we make our own trail. Okay, we finally made it to some trails, but JT's bike ended up dying, so he had to leave and go head back. So now it's just us two. And we're gonna see how it goes. Gonna go and see. Damn. Yeah, it's the first time on these tires off-roading. But the one thing that's really noticeable is how much heavier they are. I knew they were heavier, but it actually really makes a difference. Oh, these tires are sticking. Yeah, let's go see. Okay. This is a little bit scary. Especially because I don't know the limits of these new tires yet. I mean, they feel good, but still haven't, you know, really tested. Let's rip this trailer a little bit. It's hard not knowing what's coming up though, being that we've never been here. Mountain bikers really don't like this. Whoops. They're actually like, they're still pretty good on the sand, but on these tires, you definitely do feel every little bump a lot more though. There's a lot of bikers on this trail right now though, so don't really want to be blowing through at full speed. Just in case. So it is a two-way. There's a lot of blank corners. Oh, you just turned around. We're gonna go back up to the park where we started in. Mess around over there. Alright, so we're back. And we're definitely on a much harder trail this time. So we'll see how it goes. Steep drop here. Now I'll go to the other bike. Oh! Yeah. Wow. Okay. You good? keep going here.
Yeah, I got stuck here. Oh no,
Yeah, we're going to the electrics.
It's like the Billy Goat.
Yeah, exactly. Just climbing on the edge.
This is actually where I'm at. That seemed like they knew about them. These mountain bikers are insane for riding these hill trails at full speed. Definitely harder than most of the dirt biking things. Like I said, these bikes look like a billy goat on these trails. A mountain goat. And they just sit on the edge of the cliffs. Thanks. Wow, these lines are insane. Yeah, I guess we're gonna end the video here, but these tires have been performing really well on and off-road, so that's what we like to see.
Wondering if we set up the camera and do like 30-second burnouts at different spots, and we keep cutting to them.